I'm from the Philippines. 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 Melon. Yeah, I have melon outside in my little garden. Like there's a small veggies na. Ay, small veggies. Small veggies tuloy. No. A small fruit coming out. I have a small garden. But it's just in a, container. Philippines, yes. Like, you thought I'm from India? India. Pagod naman tong lutuin. This is very tiring. I'm like cooking this for like 50 minutes. I think this one is not yet cooked pa. I wanna cook it more. This is your plug, country plug, yeah. Yes, you are correct. You got it correctly. You got it right. You how to watch us, but who is the second one? I don't know. Like, maybe you can ask. Hello to my 2 million viewers. Your friend, maybe? Maybe my friend. Mr. No. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Like, how can I check it? From where are you in India again? The singing voice came from behind you. it's our neighbor. Like, when you were in the whenever you came to the Philippines, it's really, you'll be amazed of how the neighbors can sing. Then what is your religion? Okay? It's Roman Catholic. I'm a Roman Catholic. Like everyone know how to sing. Everyone knows how to sing. Mali ba ang English ko? Diyos ko. Nauubusan na ako ng English ha. So we're going to put the gulay